Now what's left of the storm, well on the backside of it, just some very light snow showers on the eastern shore and down towards Ocean City. Even a few flurries are trying to form again in Baltimore County right now. So don't be surprised if you see a few flakes. They're really not going to add to any more. But these are coming in with cold winds on the backside of the storm. And we are still getting some gusts between 20 to 35 miles per hour, 38 miles per hour. In fact, the gusts right now at BWI Marshall. So that is really making it feel colder. It might be causing a little bit of drifting of the snow that's already on the ground. And so that can maybe blow it back on some pavement. A lot of pavement has had time to dry out today, which is great news going into the night and through the commute tomorrow. But just keep in mind, it is going to get colder tonight. So any snow that is left over, any wet pavement as well, is eventually going to refreeze. 40 right now in Baltimore and 40 at BWI Marshall, 36 currently in Bel Air. The wind picking up is making it feel colder. You can subtract about 10 degrees from the temperature to get the wind chill. So even though it's near 40 this afternoon, it feels more like the low 30s. As we go through the night, the temperatures will eventually fall through the 30s and then below freezing into the 20s overnight. So especially by midnight, watch many more areas could be getting into that refreeze. Late tonight, temperatures near 24 in Baltimore, 25 for Elkton, only at 14 out into Garrett County. A cold day tomorrow. We're still going to have some gusts at 30 miles per hour even during the day tomorrow, and the highs will only be in the 30s, which is well below normal for this time of year. At least we'll have the sunshine. That's going to help counteract some of those colder feeling winds. Futurecast will show it's fairly dry here in the Baltimore area heading into Tuesday, although western Maryland will still see some lingering snow showers all the way into tomorrow morning. Tuesday then, that sunny day before the clouds increase again, because by Wednesday we're already tracking another storm system. The bulk of it passes by to our north, but we could see at least a few showers, and it's in the far northern areas where those showers could lean a little wintry. Even the next storm system that comes in by Thursday could mainly be rain from Baltimore south, but the northern areas could get a mix of some snow as well, and maybe some light accumulation there in those northern areas through Thursday night. So that could cause a few slick spots even into the Friday morning commute. So our 7-day forecast continues to show a busy weather pattern, although it's not a pure snow, it's mostly with rain. 35 for the high tomorrow with gusty winds. On Wednesday, we briefly warm up to 51, but in the morning there could be that light wintry mix. And then Thursday, looking at a better chance for some rain, although it could lead to some light snow in the northern suburbs. We'll have to watch that if it lingers all the way into Friday morning. What does look nice in the 7-day, a dry weekend and a warmer one, both days in the 50s.